Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Welcome to my first ever Q&A video. I mean, like, people have been saying, say, yo, you need to do a Q&A. So now we finally gonna do it. You understand? We finally gonna do it. I'm so excited for you guys to know more about me. You get me? So without further ado, let's just start the video. Alright, so the first question is, do you have a girlfriend? Of course, this is going to be the first question. Yes, I do have a girlfriend. Yes, I do have a girlfriend. Yes, I do have a girlfriend. And for a million times, yes, I do. Because people been asking, you see me? So, I'm going to get the answer now. Bam. Next question. What type of girl do you like? The type of girl that I like is girls that know what they want out of life. You understand? And actually they are work feet. You understand? Girl when are loud and brawling. You get me? Girls that are quiet, you know, reserved, observant, you understand, and well focused. So basically, yeah, that's it. You see me? Next question. Damn, you're fine, but what's your best pickup line? My best pickup line is, I don't have a pickup line. Honestly, I don't have a pickup line, I swear. Like, I've never like used a pickup line, or like everything just flow naturally. You get me? When approaching like a female or so, you get me? So I don't have a pickup line, honestly. Yeah. So let's move on to the next question. Next question: why you so handsome? Honestly, why I'm so handsome? You have to ask Jesus, basically. You have to ask Jesus. You have to ask Jesus, basically, because I don't know why. Like, I was just like this, and I guess because like I take care of myself. You understand? Groom my ear supposed to groom, brush my teeth, shower and all them things. So that kind of you know, kind of add to the reason why I'm so handsome. Yeah. Next question. Next one is, what video did you get 1 million views on? The video I got 1 million views on was This Is Jamaica. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Childish Gambino, This Is America. And when that just dropped, I mean, like, everybody was doing like their own remix. Decided to do Jamaican remix and actually clocked 1 million views in the space of 1 week on that video. Currently it's at 2.5 million and counting. You get me? And climbing. Yeah. So This Is Jamaica is the video for that question. Next question. When you start YouTube? I started YouTube way back in 2013. Yeah, February 2013 to be exact. And I've been doing YouTube from then to now, me and my crew. You get me? So basically from 2013. Yeah. Next question. What were you like in high school? What were you like in school? Alright, in school I'm normally quiet. I'm the class clown at times. Like, I have my time when I fool around, joke around and shit like that. You get me? So that kind of like make me be the person who I am now, cause I'm that type of person. Like, I have my time same way. Like, on camera, trust me, I'm different, and in person I'm different. You get me? People like see me in person and expect me to act like a comedian, act comedic, but I'm so calm and reserved and cool. You get me? People are like, yo, you're way different in person. So that's how I was in high school. You get me? I was mostly quiet. I used to make noises like, you know, the little bird type of noise, and teacher would be like, which chicken there in our class? You get me? So yeah, basically that's it. Next question. Do you know that you're my uncle? Do you hear that? Bike. Do you know that you're my uncle? What you should do is that message me on Instagram, Jnel official_1, and we will talk about it, because there's a lot of family members that I don't know. You understand? I know their names and such, but there's a lot I don't know, like personally, over the phone. You understand? So just give me a message and make we chat. If you guys hear car and them thing they passing, it's because I'm right next to the roadside. You get me? So sorry for that. Let's move on. Next question. What encouraged you to start YouTube? Alright, so this question I've never been asked. what encouraged me to start YouTube. I mean, like, people ask me in the street, but you guys in the virtual world overseas don't know. What made me start YouTube was my name. Like, my real name is Junior, and Junior was so common. I always think about female liking guys with names that are more cute. You get me? So I was like, alright. You get me? So I was like, alright. Nelly, because Nelson is my last name, so I was like, Nelly, that never work. Jnel, that never work. Junior Nell, that never work. And I said, alright, Jnel. And I was like, yeah, that's unique, that's different. You get me? Some say, alright, I gotta work with that one day. So I was like, Jnel. So I was like, okay, now what can I do to make this name stick on me? Because people know me as Junior, so it was hard for like make that transition from Junior to Jnel. You get me? So I was like, alright, I'm gonna start doing videos. You get me? So basically I just started doing YouTube videos, and then that's how I started YouTube. Kinda weird, but yeah, just the truth. You get me? So I'm moving on to the next question. When are you going to make me your girlfriend? Really? Really? You know what? Next question. Alright, next question is, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is a normal fried chicken and rice and peas. I mean, like, who no love fried chicken and rice and peas? Like, that's just my favorite food. I mean, I don't really like venture out and try new food. You get me? But rice and peas and chicken have been my favorite for me. I look at it until now. You get me? So rice and peas and chicken, fried chicken to be exact. Yeah. Next question. You and Cash related? Yes, me and Cash related. Cash is my younger sibling, younger brother. You get me? Him do music. You understand? So you guys can actually check him out on YouTube. Cash Official Vivo. That's his Vivo channel. Him do music, yes, so him have a Vivo channel. So you guys can actually check it out. You see me? So moving on to the next question. Are you still going to upload Jamaican Family Guy on your channel? Yes, I'm going to upload Jamaican Family Guy on my channel, but I have a separate channel for Jamaican Family Guy. So if you guys want to check out the Jamaican Family Guy series, you can go over to Jamaican Family Guy on YouTube. You get me? And you see all of them today. You understand? Jnel comedy is just for comedy and entertainment. I mean, like Jamaican Family Guy, I can get copyright strike for those, so I just build a separate channel that's non-profitable. You get me? So you guys can actually check them out. So I move on to the next question. What inspired you to like girls? Like, what? Hold on. Let me see if I read this good. What inspired you to like girls? Honestly, I'm not gonna answer that question now, because this question is bull. So I'll just move on. You get me? Next question. And again, guys, if you hear cars and stuff passing, bike and stuff passing, it's because I'm right next to the roadside. You see me? I'm sorry about that. So let's move on to the next question. Do you host events? Do I host events? No, it's something I'm looking into do. You get me? Hosting event, because I've been requested to host events already. You understand? By primary school, by coming bikes. Okay. People request me for do hosting like school shows and stuff like that. So I actually have a bit of hosting experience. I was at Alpha Academy. I think I said it name. Yeah, the school in front of Sabina Park. Most of you guys know it as just Alpha. So all I did was call up my little brother and my friend Bricks Gang. You understand, to perform on stage. Not really much, but you know, something I'm looking into do. You get me? So let's move on to the next question. Can you come to Big Bridge Saturday? What? First of all, no disrespect. I don't know about a big bridge. I don't know when a bridge there. You understand? And I just get up and go somewhere. So you understand, without a reason. Big bridge. I not trust Big Bridge, you know. I joke my make, but yeah. Like if I find out what is Big Bridge or where is Big Bridge, I could maybe come there and do a trick question video. You get me? Yeah. Next questions. Where is Bijah? Bijah they are same way. You don't know as usual. Bijah is the guy we have the Rajae can always do that in the comedy skits. So you guys should check out the comedy skits. We have a lot of crew member. You see me? So you guys should check out the comedy skits. But Bijah there, probably they are work right now. No, him not work on Sunday. So him there. You get me? So next question. What community in Jamaica are you from? Is it where you do videos? Yes. And the community I'm from is Jewsland. Not many people are like familiar with Jewsland, but I'm from Jewsland. You get me? And there is where I do 95% of my comedy videos. The other videos are on the street, which is a trick question. You guys already know that. You get me? So next question. How long have you been YouTubing? I've been YouTubing since 2013, so that's 13. So that's about 6 years. Or going on to 6 years. Yeah, I've been YouTubing since then. But since recently, a lot of people start know about the videos and my crew and stuff like that. You get me? Like we've been in the background doing the work. You understand? Just never get the exposure. At that time, you understand? But nothing happened before time. You get me? So basically that's it. The last question is, can you fuck me? No, I can't. Like why? Like I got a lot of them. I can't have it talk. You know what? No, I can't. Alright, so for this question, I'm going to make a thumbnail. So you guys watch it. Just watch me thumbnail. Don't judge me. Yeah, and that was it. You get me? So that's the bike. So that's the end of the video, peeps. Thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. Please ensure that you like, share and subscribe. It's free. You don't know, hit the notification bell to be notified when there's like a new upload, any upload, anything going on with the channel. You get me? Like, share and subscribe, as I said already. Check out my comedy videos here. You get me? Over this side. And check out my trick question videos over this side. You get me? Make sure you subscribe right here. You get me? So that's basically it. What I'm thinking about though is that you guys can actually ask questions so that the other crew members can actually do a Q&A too. You get me? Well, not just me. You understand? So what one can do is like go to Instagram, or well, in the description, everybody Instagram in the description, so you guys can choose who you want to ask the questions next. You get me? You don't know your boy Jnel. That's basically it, and I'm out.